You made a budget, but at the end of the month, are you left wondering where your money actually went? You had a plan, but reality didn't cooperate. What if a simple analysis could give you the clarity and control you've been missing? Stay tuned, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Section 1. The frustration of flying blind. It's an incredibly frustrating feeling. You put in the work to create a budget, but checking your progress feels like flying blind. How can you make smart decisions about saving, paying off debt, or spending on what you love if you don't have a clear picture? Without it, a budget is just a wish list. You see less cash than expected, but have no idea why. Was it groceries? Too many subscriptions? An emergency? If you can't pinpoint the cause, you can't fix the problem, and you end up in the same spot next month, feeling completely lost. Section 2. The solution, from guesswork to clarity. This is where actual versus budget analysis changes the game, turning financial frustration into focus. It's a core concept used by large companies and savvy individuals to get a handle on their performance. Think of it as the bridge between your plan and your reality. It's a simple comparison of what you plan to spend versus what you actually spent. The difference is called the variance, and this number tells a huge story about your financial habits. By analyzing variances, you stop guessing and start knowing. You can pinpoint exactly where you're succeeding and, more importantly, where you're veering off track. Section 3. The how-to, a simple step-by-step guide. You can do this with a piece of paper or a simple spreadsheet. First, you need 2 sets of numbers, your budget and your actuals. Your budget is your plan, say $500 for groceries. Your actuals are what you really spent, found on your bank or credit card statements. Let's say you actually spent $575. Second, find the variance. The formula is actuals budget variance. So 575 minus 500 equals a $75 variance. Third, for more context, calculate the percentage variance. Just divide the variance by the budgeted amount. In our case, $75 divided by 500 is 0.15, or a 15% variance. Seeing you were 15% over budget can be more impactful than just the dollar amount. Repeat this process for every category in your budget, from income to your last expense. Section 4. The so what, making sense of the numbers. So, what do all these numbers mean? This is where the real insight begins. Variances are either favorable or unfavorable. An unfavorable variance is when things turned out worse than planned, like spending more or earning less than expected. That $75 grocery overspend is a classic unfavorable variance. A favorable variance is when the outcome is better than planned, like spending less or earning more. If you budgeted $100 for gas but only spent $80, you have a $20 favorable variance. But the goal isn't just labeling, it's asking why they happened. An unfavorable variance isn't a failure, it's feedback. That 15% overspend on groceries prompts a question. Was it a one-time event like a party? Or are my estimates unrealistic due to inflation? Answering that is how you make smart adjustments and move from reacting to your money to proactively managing it. An actual versus budget analysis isn't about perfection or sticking to a rigid plan. It's about building financial self-awareness. It transforms your budget from a static document into a living tool that guides your decisions. This process provides the hard facts about your habits, empowering you to make changes that align with your biggest goals. Mastering this simple habit is a huge step toward gaining the financial control you've been looking for.